Samsung is one of the rare smartphone brands that still rolls with its own in-house chips. Yep, we're talking about the Exynos lineup. Those processors have been doing the heavy lifting in everything from Galaxy budget phones to high-end flagships. But when it comes to the premium foldables like the Galaxy Z series, Samsung has always gone with Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon 8 chips. Well, that might be changing real soon. According to a fresh scoop from Seoul Economic Daily, Samsung is gearing up to kick off mass production of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 next month. But here's the juicy part. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 might ditch Qualcomm altogether. That's right. The report claims it could launch with only the Exynos 2500 under the hood. Now, if that name rings a bell, it's because the Exynos 2500 is Samsung's upcoming 3nm chip, previously rumored to debut with the Galaxy S25. So if this report is legit, the Z Flip 7 would be the first ever Samsung flip phone to ship without a Snapdragon chip. That's a pretty big deal. Industry insiders say Samsung will start mass production from their facilities in South Korea and Vietnam. And they're not playing around with the numbers either. Samsung is reportedly planning to pump out around 240,000 units of the Z Flip 7 and 170,000 units of a new Z Flip 7 FE model just in Q2 of 2025. As for the Fold 7, that one's getting an initial batch of 160,000 units. The Z Flip series has always been the fan favorite thanks to its more compact, stylish form and relatively affordable foldable price tag. So it makes sense that Samsung is betting big on the Flip 7. And the fact that we're seeing a fan edition version pop up, that's even more interesting. Samsung's clearly expecting some solid hype around this one. On the flip side, the current Gen Z Flip 6 rocks the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, so this switch to Exynos for the next Gen Flip could mark a pretty bold move by Samsung. Some might call it risky, others might say it's long overdue. So, what do you think about this potential Exynos-only Galaxy Z Flip 7? Is Samsung making the right call, or should they stick with Snapdragon? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about it. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay techie.